Bienvenidos, welcome everyone. Today we are touring another amazing Arizona property in the exclusive neighborhood of Boulder Vista in Stone Canyon. Property features 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. With 2,500 square feet of living space, built in 2018, this Hogan Floorplan sits on 0.24 acre lot with vistas of Catalina and Torlita Mountains. Let's check it out. So when you first come into the home, you see this beautiful grand entrance with this beautiful light fixture and the vaulted ceilings. And then we're gonna follow over here to my left, and it's gonna be the first bedroom, which is really nice because it's right off the front door entrance. So if you have guests or children, it's just really nice because they're separated. So when you first walk into this room, you can see all the space and the natural light, the tall ceilings, queen size bed in here, beautiful carpet, and as you can see, multiple windows, which just adds all to the natural light. So here to my right is the ensuite bathroom in the guest bedroom, which is really nice. It has a beautiful walk-in shower with the textured tile, which is really nice. It's a nice off-white color, which complements all the color. Beautiful stone countertops. And it has its own walk-in closet that is a really good size. So coming out of the guest bedroom here, we're gonna follow here past the entryway into the main part of the house. First thing we see here to my left is the den, which is being currently used as an office. This is a great flex space that could be used for different things. It can be a little TV area, sitting room, an office as you see here. Once again, we have a lot of natural light with the big windows, the beautiful built-in bookcase, and lots of room. If we continue down this way, down this hallway out of the den, we are currently in the open concept living area. As you can see, it is just grand with the tall ceilings, all the natural light. We're gonna start here with the kitchen and this amazing, about 10-foot island, which is huge, which is great to entertain friends and family. Beautiful quartz countertops with some marbling that kind of ties in all the colors scheme that you have going on here with the grays and the whites. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, double door refrigerator with drawer freezer, little nooks on the side here, tool oven. We have a walk-in pantry, which is a really good size, microwave. This kitchen just has everything you need to entertain friends and family. Big stainless steel sink. We have the beautiful 6-burner stovetop, I should say, with some really nice under cabinet lighting and a big slider here that leads into the outside. We'll look at the outside in a little bit, but for now we're gonna focus on this main area. From here, we walk into the dining area, which once again has the beautiful tall ceilings, beautiful light fixture, big table, just great space for entertaining and hosting friends and family for holidays or just because. So this is a different angle from the open concept living. I'm standing with the entryway behind me, and to my right I have the kitchen here with the big island, and then to my left I have here the dining area. As you can see, the space is quite vast and it's just amazing. The natural light and the feel of being able to look out and see the beautiful scenery right outside. If I follow it down this way, we have the beautiful fireplace, which is dual-sided, and then it also has this beautiful stone that complements all the colors scheme that you have going on here with the grays and the whites and a little bit of blues. It's just amazing. So from the open concept living of the dining and the living area, we follow it down here and we have the amazing master suite. So walking into the master here, you can see just how much space there is here. You even have a nice little seating area here where you can read your book, have your morning coffee, take a phone call, whatever the need may be. You also have these amazing big windows that let in a lot of natural light. There's no actual ceiling lights turned on in here, and it's just really bright and beautiful. Right behind me here is the master bath. Immediately to my right here, we have the big spacious master closet, which is a really good space. So in the master here, we have dual vanities, dark cabinetry, a really nice little seating area to put on your shoes, get dressed in the morning. And then we have an amazing walk-in shower with a rain head shower head with the beautiful gray and white tile. And then right next to the shower is the little boys and girls room. So right by this vanity here, we have another door, and this door actually has another closet, which is great because you have more room to put jackets or linens or that type of thing. So from the master closet, the second master closet, you walk into the laundry room, which is just genius because there is no need to walk across the house with your dirty laundry trying to get it done. It's a really nice laundry room with a sink, the dark cabinetry once again. Following down this way, we come into another area. This is just some added area. Right here is the entrance to the garage. And you just have another really nice cabinetry to put keys, purses, that type of thing. And right here we have the guest bath with the beautiful wallpaper. If you follow me down this way, we come back to the front of the house and the main area, the den right behind me, which then follows into the kitchen and the main living area. So right off of this beautiful kitchen, we have these big sliders that lead back into the backyard. And from here, we have a beautiful dining area, grill, and of course, the amazing views of the mountains and the beautiful stones that make Stone Canyon what it is. So right off of the kitchen, we have this amazing dining area with its very own grill here to host friends and family. So from this lovely dining area with the outdoor fan and the grill and the big table, we follow it down this way into the amazing pool area. So in this backyard, not only do you have the amazing views of the mountains and the big stones that make it Stone Canyon, but you have a wraparound porch area here with a double-sided fireplace that you can see through into the living area, which makes it great for just lounging, enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning, a glass of wine in the evening. Right behind me, we have the amazing pool with the water feature, which is so relaxing to come and have a dip here in the hot Arizona summers. Over here to my right, we have another lounging area under the covered patio to entertain, have friends over, hang out by the pool. So from the outdoor patio, we're gonna head back into the living area. Thank you all for following along and checking out this amazing Arizona property. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. And until next time, adios. Bye, everyone.